I'm Sophia Mancini. I'm a second-year student and graduate assistant for the Orthotics and Prosthetics program at Eastern Michigan University. When I got into my master's degree in biomechanics, I quickly realized I wanted to do something that was going to be more hands-on and directly working with patients. It wasn't just research-based. I knew that this is what I wanted to do. I love to use my hands. I love to be working and not in the same spot every single day. I love that it was a patient care field, and that aspect of being able to help people every single day was something I was really looking for within movement science.
Well, let's just talk through them then.
My classmates and I, we have extremely different educational backgrounds. I have an exercise science, kinesiology background, and a lot of my classmates have an engineering background. And we're learning the same things. We're seeing them in two completely different ways at first, and then we're able to share that with each other and get a more well-rounded picture of things. We're learning documentation skills, fabrication skills, hand skills, patient interaction skills, and then we're in the plaster room and we're covered in plaster. Who doesn't want to go to work every day and make a difference in someone's life? It's absolutely the most rewarding career that I can think of.